Hola artistas! Today I'm going to show you how to create a digital animal hybrid using Pixlr. So first you're going to go to pixlr.com and make sure that you are on Pixlr E. On the left side, select Create New. And here you will be able to pick your image. Full HD will automatically be selected. You can give your file a name and press Create. Now you want to go to a free open image source website such as pixabay.com. Here you want to think about what body you want your animal to have and search for it. So if I want a horse, I'm going to type in horse. And I'm going to scroll down until I find a picture of a horse that I'd want to use for my artwork. So once you find a picture you want, you click on it. You right-click the image, press Copy Image, head back over to Pixlr, go to Edit, Paste, or Control-V. Here you will paste your image. Now I want to delete my background, so I'm going to click the Wand Select tool. And what this does is it will pick any color that is the same or similar on what you click on. So if I select this light blue, it will select all the light blue around. Now I can press the backspace or delete button on my keypad. I can do the same for the mountains and for the grass. To unselect the wand tool, you click on the outside space outside your digital canvas. And clearly it didn't erase everything, so what I can do is click the marquee tool. I can select and delete the areas, the larger areas that I missed. And now I can go to my erase tool and zoom in and get those last little bits with the eraser tool that I maybe missed. If I need to make my brush smaller, I click here and I can choose a smaller brush to erase smaller areas. All right, now I can zoom out. Let's say that I want to flip my horse so he's facing the other direction. If I click this Arrange tool, on the top, I can click on this Flip Horizontal option, and now my horse will face the other way. I can click this white square to make my horse bigger and move it around. So now I want to add the head. So I'm going to go back to Pixabay, and I want a corgi head. So in the search, I'm going to type in corgi, and I'm going to find a corgi picture of a corgi head that I want. Once you find one, click on it, right click, press copy image, go back to Pixlr, edit, paste, and I only want the head. So I'm going to click the marquee tool and notice how the corgi, the layer is in a separate layer than the horse. It's on top of the horse. So what I can do now, knowing I'm on the corgi layer, I can select the area around the head and clear that out by pressing delete. I can now zoom in and move this. To delete this blue background, I can click the Wand Select tool. I'm going to click on that blue background, press delete. I can just use the eraser tool to erase that blue space. Now I can zoom out, make sure I have the Arrange tool. I can move my corgi's head and make it a little bit bigger so that it will fit here. I can erase, zoom in a little bit more, erase this space around the neck, and I can make that head a little bit bigger so that it fits. Go back to my horse layer, and I can make that brush bigger and delete my horse head. Now, let's say I want these layers to both be blue. So I can click back on my horse under adjustment. I can go to hue saturation, move this over, and I can actually change the hue of my horse. So if I want him to be blue, I can do that. Increase the saturation or the brightness of the color, press apply. I can go back to my corgi layer and do the same. Adjustment, hue, saturation, adjust the hue, increase the brightness, and then instead of making it lighter, I can make it a little bit darker so that it matches the fur of the horse. And now I want to add a fin to my animal, but before I do, I want to combine these two layers. So I can press these 3 circles and go merge, click on merge down. I can now move these layers individually. Now I'm going to go back to pixabay.com and I want to look up a fin, a fish fin. So I'm going to type in fish fin, press enter, and I can actually click on an image that I see. If you see this checkered background, it means that that image, that layer is transparent or see-through. So this will actually make it easier to add to my picture. So I'm going to right click, press copy image, go back to Pixlr, edit, paste, and click my marquee tool. Notice that that fish is on top of my other layer. So I just select on this part here, press delete, click off of that to deselect, press the eraser tool to erase. Now I can click this arrange tool, flip this horizontal, and make this bigger. I can also rotate. And I also might want to flip this vertical. So I also want to change the color of this. So I go to adjustment, hue saturation, play with the hue, the saturation, maybe make it a little darker, apply. Click on my horse layer. I want to erase the hair. So I click the eraser. If I want to erase part of these scales to make it look like it blends, I go back to the fin. All right, now I can zoom back out. If I want to merge these layers, I click the 3 dots, click merge down. Now it's all one layer. The last thing I want to add are wings, so I go back to Pixabay. I can type in wings, and instead of looking for a photo, I'm going to look for a vector graphic. And find some wings for my animal. So I want these. I click on them. I right click, copy image, go here, edit, paste, select my marquee tool. I only want one wing, so I'm going to delete the other. Press my arrange tool. Now I can merge this down. And the last part is my background. So I can go back to Pixabay. And if I want mine to be in the desert, I can type in desert. Instead of vector graphics, I'm going to go back to photos. And I can select a picture. Once I have one, right click, copy, go back here, edit, paste. And I'm going to make this fill the whole page so it can go a little bit bigger. Notice that you don't see my animal anymore. That's because the background's on top. So I'm going to click and drag this and move it below. So now my creature is above. Now I can edit my background the same way I did before. I can adjust the hue and the saturation. If I wanted to add other elements to my background, I can go back to Pixabay, maybe add a cupcake. I'm going to search as a vector graphic. find a cupcake I want. Oh, rainbow cupcake. Right click, copy image, edit, paste. And if I want to duplicate this to make multiple cupcakes, I click the 3 dots. I can press duplicate layer. And now I have multiple cupcakes. So you can continue adding to your background. You can also paint. So if I wanted to add some stripes to my, or spots to my creature, I click on my creature. I click my paintbrush. Maybe I want there to be some pink spots. Press OK. Zoom in. And instead of having this be opaque, I can make it kind of transparent. And I can add some spots onto my creature. When you're done with your creature, or if you want to save your progress, you press File, go to Save. Here you can give your file a name. You can either save it as a JPG if you do increase the quality to 100, or you can save it as a PNG file. Whichever one you do, once you're finished, press Download. And now you have your creative creature saved to your computer.